Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with some friend mail from Jess. She said she wanted to send me something for Christmas. She's so sweet. So she said that she knows I like stuff that's not always mainstream stuff, so she tried to pick out some stuff from her collection, and she got some that are a special edition for my collection. She said she knows that I like Molly wedding beads. Oh, I'm so excited. And then she said she made me something and something for my mom. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I'm guessing the gifts are in here maybe. It's like a nice canvas bag. I'm gonna put that one to the side. I'm hoping I want to open the handmade stuff last. So, oh, she got some cute little peace signs. I don't know if I have any of the brown ones. I don't know if I've ever seen brown ones. Those are cool. I'm seeing the peace signs are going to be in soon. I'm seeing them everywhere. So now I have more to make something with in 2023. That's exciting. Thank you. Ooh, look at this big lampwork heart. That is huge. I love it. I don't know if you can tell how big this is, but it's pretty big. It's got a nice large hole. I can make this into a pendant. That is really cool. I love how puffy it is. How 3D it is. And then this looks like can't tell. I think it is lampwork. Yeah, it kind of looks like lampwork, not African, but it's very similar to recycled African glass too. Beautiful. Ooh, these are fun. They're faceted. Yeah, they are yeah, I think they're glass, but they very much look like stone, so they could be either one. It just looks how sharp the facets are, just reminds me of glass. You can typically get that sharp of a facet with glass before stone, but those are really pretty. Ooh, some quatrefoils, one of my favorite shapes. I think I made not on this channel, but I think I have a really long necklace that has these and gold chain, but I can't remember. But I love those colors and I love that shape. And actually I got some new polymer clay cutters that are very southwestern-y without being overly southwestern. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think these would look fantastic once I make charms for to go with them. I think I'll save those to do with those to make some earrings. Ooh, let's see, these are really awesome. They're ceramic. So cool. I haven't seen that design before. I'm obsessed with ceramic beads right now. There are just so many great artists making ceramic beads, and I want to make ceramic beads so badly. If I can finally ever get this new house, I want to get a kiln and start making my own ceramic stuff. So I'm excited about that. Ooh, these are really cool. I think these are a type of, I can't tell if these are acrylic made to look like nut, like a taga nut almost, or if it is a nut bead. There's something inside this one too, so let me see if I can get that out of there. These are really cool. And then this is a nice brown lampwork bead. Very cool. Thank you, Jessica. So cool. These are really awesome. I haven't seen those before. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, this looks vintage. It could be new, but it looks vintage. Oh my gosh, I have to make a mold of this before I use it on anything. And this would, it's nice. It could be held this way. You could do it this way, this way. This is really cool, Jessica, and it's heavy. My goodness. Wow, that is so beautiful. It's resin. It looks almost like porcelain or bone or something, but it's resin, and it's just gorgeous. I cannot wait to make a mold out of that so I can use it on lots of different stuff. Ooh, my favorite color. This bead is so cool. Look at that one. Nice, cool, funky strand. That would actually be really cool as like an asymmetrical piece with some leather maybe. That'd be really cool. Oh my gosh, these look like little check glass beads. Yeah, these actually look vintage too. I don't know if they are vintage or if they've just been around for a long time, this shape, but they definitely look like vintage check glass to me. Those are gorgeous. Little grape color. Ooh, nice. These are really cute. Shell drops. Ugh, look how beautiful and bright and vibrant those are. Oh, I can't wait for summer. Well, maybe spring, because it's hot here in spring and it's hotter in summer. But I can't wait for these colors to come back into my wardrobe. Right now it's just a lot of black and dark green. Very pretty. Oh, some drugs. Thank you, Jessica. This is so much. So we've got some beautiful drugs in like a periwinkle, a light like jonquil, topazy color, and then a two-tone, almost like smoky with a metallic AB on it. Very cool. Thank you, Jess. Next we've got, I think, some more check glass. Wow, I haven't seen these before. They're like a really cool organic shape with some silver wash on them, and they're like an opaque, semi-translucent purple. I don't know if you can see that, but they're translucent. And then we have some opalite pink. Very pretty. Ooh, more check. Ah, love this color palette, mustard. It's like the color palette of Mookite. These would look great with some Mookite. Oh, I love these saucer beads. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the little like half mustard, half gold flowers. If I could be a bead today, it'd be that bead. So cute. I love that color combo. Jess, this is right up my alley. Those are deserty colors. You're giving me so many good ideas. Ooh, some Z agate. Look at these. These are gorgeous. Wow. They've got some stripes down the middle. Those are really cool. Thanks, Jess. Oh, cute. Some shells. Oh, look at the tiny baby. Look at the tiny baby. That is so adorable. And then we've got some, these are very weathered. I love it. Love it. Those would look cute on a bracelet, or two bracelets, I should say. I'm guessing, I think this is maybe the Molly wedding beads. Oh my gosh, are they teeny tiny? Oh, they are teeny tiny. Look at these. Oh my gosh. I take it back. I want to be this bead today. These are so adorable. I haven't seen them that tiny. And I don't think I have any in that pattern. Oh, I'll cherish those. Thank you. Those are so beautiful. I want to use them, but I also want to hoard them. Oh my gosh, they're so stinking cute. Wow, there's still a lot left in here. We have some maybe soapstone. These are carved. Very cool. I think these are soapstone, but I'm not too sure on that. Those are awesome. Ooh, very, very chatoyant tiger eye. Is it a pendant? No, it's a bead. That is a cool shape. It's so shiny. Look at how shimmery it is. I don't think I have any tiger eye that shimmery. It almost looks like a digital like effect, doesn't it? Wow, that is a really cool bead. Thank you, Jess. That is really neat. And then we have some, I'm gonna guess batik bone. Oh cool, it's like batik and then like almost like a blue-green over it. That's kind of cool. Thank you. I don't have those. Those are really neat. Jess, you really sent a lot of stuff. Thank you. Oh, cool. Some shell 2-hole beads. Oh, that's cool. And then they have like a gold drizzle on them. That is neat. Really cool. I love that color. Some more check glass. Oh my goodness. I feel spoiled. Oh wow, that's cool. I don't think I have any that look like that. These are fire polish, but they've got a luster and like another coating on them. Very neat. Then we've got some Picasso. Very cool. And then some Picasso turquoise. These actually look like real turquoise because of how heavy the Picasso is on them. That is so cool. Thank you. Oh, some more fire polish? My goodness. Metals. Oh, that is so neat. I don't think I have anything like that's like this. It's almost like an ombre effect with the different metals. And then a black and silver. Very cool. Thank you. Oh, little animals. Oh my goodness. So kitties and elephants. I'm obsessed with cat check glass, and I'm obsessed with elephants. And they have their trunks up. How cute. I can't really hang out with cats in real life because I'm super duper allergic to them. But I'm always obsessed with check glass cats because they always look a little grumpy. Like, look, he looks like he is actively frowning. I'm outside of YouTube, I'm a pretty grumpy person a lot of the time. So I love it. I love it. Ask my mom. It's like I'm grumpy and she's sunshine. It's so funny. We get along though. These are cool. What is this? What is this? Oh, I know I dropped one. Huh. I think it's shell. Maybe painted. I don't know. That's interesting. I don't know what they are. They're pretty cool though. I like the organic shapes. Ooh, some more check. Those are neat. These look vintage to me. They could be new, but I think they look vintage to me. I don't know. After you've looked at so many beads, sometimes you can pick up, and I can't explain what the characteristic is that makes me think these are vintage, but if they're not, they were definitely modeled after vintage check. Oh, some Millefiori beads, a cute little heart. And this is half drilled, so what you do is just put your piece, like a glue piece of drop of glue or something in there, and like half of an eye pin or a little screw, and it becomes a bail. And then we have, ooh, this isn't Millefiori, it's like a lampwork donut, I think. Very cool. And then a beautiful little multicolored Millefiori donut. So neat. And then we have some cabs, and they're glass, and they look vintage to me. Typically cabs like this nowadays are plastic, so but these are glass for sure. I'm gonna have to make a mold out of those because they are beautiful. Beauteous. Oh, look, a little druzy. Well, not little, actually, it's quite big. Oh, it's a druzy connector. Oh, I can make a big chunky bracelet with this. Yes, that is so pretty. I would definitely make it into a bracelet or a very long necklace, but I have a ton of, okay, so I have a ton of bracelets too. I was gonna say I have a ton of long necklaces. Maybe I should make another bracelet. I have like 400 bracelets. I actually don't know how many bracelets I have, but 400 would probably not be inaccurate at this point. Oh my gosh, there's even more in here. What is this? Oh, a nice agate piece. Wow, that is gorgeous. Also great for the wrist. My goodness, that is beautiful. I love the banding in it. And then last beads that she sent before I open up the present, the other present. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. I have something very similar, but I don't know if it's the same shape. And actually, these are two different finishes on these. That is beautiful. This one's a little darker and this one's a little lighter. These are gorgeous. And I love that they've been turned into a chain, but I could take it apart and use the beads and the bead cap separately. That is so cool. Thanks, Jess. Those are beautiful. And these are, for anybody wondering, they're acrylic, and they might be vintage too. I think I have something very similar to that, but I don't think it's exactly the same. Those are so cool. So cool. All right. as if all of that wasn't amazing enough, let's see what she sent in here. And I don't know if you're a part of my bead group, Jess is an amazing artist. She makes beautiful earrings. Oh, I don't think I can give these to my mom, Jess. Oh my gosh, I need them for myself. I wear them once every year. Oh, by the way, I did wear earrings on, I did wear the gingerbread earrings on Christmas, and my my left ear is still sore. So today's Tuesday, Christmas was Sunday. My right ear's okay, but my left ear, it just did not like me wearing anything but my solid gold studs. These are fantastic. Look at this. I got basketball hands, okay? This thing spans my whole hand. I'm jealous. I'm jealous that you have this talent and that my mom gets these. I don't know if she can wear them, but she's gonna try and snatch them from me. I know it. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. These are gorgeous. Jess, you're gonna have to comment and tell me how long this took you to make these. OMG. Wow, those are stunning. Okay, let's see the necklace she made. And this is one of my favorite color combos, red and blue. Oh my gosh, or turquoise and blue. What is going on here? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have kind of like a steampunky look with a gear that she beaded. Wow. And then beautiful crystals and check glass hanging down, some vintage brass components. This is beautiful. Very cool. And then we've got mixed metals and crystals and elephants and flowers. Oh wow, these are neat. These are really cool. Jess, thank you so much. This is beautiful. Thank you for making me such a beautiful piece. I'm gonna have to just stare at these for a while because they are so stunning. Everything you sent is just so amazing. Thank you so much for thinking of me, and I appreciate you so much. If you're not a member of my bead group, please join because she does post her earring projects and other things quite often, and they're always beautiful. I have to say, these took the cake. These stole the show. Besides those, I really love these tiny, you never know what's going to catch my eye, these tiny mustard and gold little flower beads, which are now giving me thoughts of something that I want to make, and these beautiful Molly wedding beads. Oh my gosh, but everything was so... Oh, and this guy. That was really neat too. Okay, well, I'm going to put everything away, but this is... I just wanted you to see these one more time. And this beautiful necklace. Thank you so much, Jess. You're amazing. Your talent is amazing, and you made me so happy. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.